Good morning, guys, and welcome to another episode of Behind the Closed Doors. First workshop in many weeks because during Christmas and New Year's I was off, so I'm really excited to do this. And today's topic is smoke and props. Our model is Ingrid. Everything is already set up for the students, so we have full house today. Full house with me doesn't mean 40 or 50 students. I believe in workshops with smaller groups, so we normally have anything between 5 and 6 people in the group. The reason is very simple. I just want to make 100% sure that every student gets attention. And what I hear from a lot of students, that's actually what they miss in other workshops. That's personal attention. They do go to a workshop, they can shoot, but there's never that real one-on-one interaction between, well, the attendees and the teacher. And that's what I want to do. I really want to give that one-on-one attention. That's also why we start every workshop with a Q&A, question and answers. Now the reason for that is that I don't believe in fixed workshops. Now, what do I mean with a fixed workshop? Well, very simple. You have those workshops that follow a certain route. So from 9 till 10 we're going to do that. From 10 till 11 we're going to do that. I don't really believe in that. What I truly believe in is that a student that comes in has a lot of questions. And of course they hope that within a workshop those questions will be answered. So why not just start up the workshop with a half an hour or 1 hour Q&A. So they can ask whatever they want, they can get their answers straight away, or I'm just going to incorporate it into the workshop. And for me that's a way better way of teaching, and I think also for the students let me put it this way, no workshop is the same because we literally create the workshops depending on the questions the students have. So it's always unique, it's always different. That also gives me a lot of options to be creative, of course. Okay, the students have arrived, so it's time to start the workshop.
As every ocean come as rain, I know my circles, I know my name. Another sequel is on the way. Oh, oh, my love, reform and rise to be so free. In time we seize infinity. Growing love, hold the line. We're never hiding, we never lie. And I'll be coming home.
Hey, that was the workshop for today. Ingrid did great and the smoke really added something. Do you want to see the results? Well, here we go.
And we're all runners, and we race against time. And we're all runners, we were born to chase the tide. No matter where we are, no matter what we face, we're forever on.
I hope you like those results. One of the cool things about smoke is actually it acts as a diffuser, as a reflector, and I always say as a mood maker. Now if you are on a location and you go like, it's okay, but it needs something extra, just use a little bit of smoke and it really lightens up the whole mood. Love to use it. Many different kinds of smoke machines. What you actually have to use is a smoke machine that's water-based. Don't use the oil-based, they warm up a little bit faster, but they're really bad for your strobes because all the smoke goes through your strobes. So if that's oil-based, no, that isn't good. Okay guys, that was behind the closed doors for today. If you like what we do, please subscribe to our channel, leave comments below, and of course smash that like button because we really like that. Tomorrow, another workshop, another behind the closed doors. See you tomorrow. Bye guys.